Become more efficient with these key time management strategies. Lifestyles these days are more stressful than they were just 20 years ago, and, therefore, it is even more important that we learn effective time management techniques. Regardless if you're a busy housewife, student, or the CEO of a large corporation, you have to wade through a lot of data on a daily basis. The main objective of this report is to help you better control your time, whether at home or in the workplace, by offering you useful tips to help you. Not having time is a common complaint today, but if you're honest about how you actually spend your day, it's likely you'll see many areas where you waste time. Of course, you need to take a break from working every once in a while. You will get even less accomplished if you become a non-stop working machine, and that's a proven fact. If you haven't noticed, though, there are plenty of lost minutes each day as a result of people texting, or sending and answering quick emails online, and even lingering longer than necessary at somebody else's desk at work. Everybody has certain unproductive activities that consume a couple of minutes out of every hour. For instance, if you have a tendency to chat on the phone a lot, turn it off when you have work that must be done and simply schedule a block of time for telephone calls. One of the most helpful things you can do if you wish to manage your time more effectively is to learn how to prioritize. By doing this, you can rest assured to finish off the tasks that are the most critical before you move on to other jobs that need done. If you can, one good strategy that works for lots of individuals is to do the task you dread the most first thing in the morning. This achieves two things. You won't be spending time all day dreading the task that still has to be done, and the task will actually get done in a timely manner and crossed off your list. Additionally, when doing these vital tasks, give them your full attention and don't allow yourself to get diverted by anything else. Charles Schwab paid Ivy League $25,000 for this tip in the early 1900s as it worked very well. What was it? Make a list at the end of the day of the most crucial tasks you have to complete the next day, and put them in order of importance. Then, when the first task is finished, scratch it off and move on to the next task. Delegating and outsourcing are two related principles that will help you handle time much better. People who never have enough time are typically people who make an attempt to do everything themselves. There are some things that only you can do, but there are also numerous tasks that others can do for you. It's easy to find people to help you among your family and friends, by looking at local bulletin boards or chat rooms, or asking a worker for help with a number of your chores. Prior to starting any activity, it's a wise idea to ask yourself if it might be possible to have another individual do this for you. Logically, most of the most vital tasks will have to be handled by you personally. Having said that, you will have more time to spend on these vital items if you can outsource or delegate some of the more mundane tasks on your list. If your aim is to get more completed every day, but with less effort and stress, then pay attention to the suggestions offered in this report. Each minute of every day, you choose how you are going to spend your time. Each of us has a 24-hour day, and how you decide to spend your minutes is up to you. Taking better control of how you handle your time requires you to pay attention to what you are choosing to do right now. As soon as you become aware of how you spend your time, you will begin to more intelligently schedule your day.